Hello friends, in this video I will learn new server-side form validation in PHP programming language. This is my simple HTML form. I have used Bootstrap CSS library. There is 3 fields. First field is name with input type text with name attribute is equal to name. Second field is email with input type text with name is equal to email, and last field is select gender with 2 radio button with name is equal to gender and value is equal to male and female. Here is one form submit button like input type is equal to submit, name is equal to submit, and value is equal to submit. If you handle form validation at server-side in PHP, so you have to write form validation code in PHP language. Now I have moved to PHP code part. I have write PHP code on above the HTML code. If you write your PHP code and below HTML code, it will not give proper result, so I have write PHP code above the HTML code. First I have defined 4 variable like name error, email error, gender error and output variable, and I have assigned blank value to this all variable. In name error variable I will store error regarding name field, in email error variable I will store error regarding email field, in gender error variable I will store error regarding gender field variable, and in output variable I will store whichever you have entered into the form field. In server-side form validation, I will validate required field validation, no special or number while entering name, validate email and so on. When user will click on submit button at that time form data will send to server using post method, so I want to check submit button is click or not. For this I have write if condition with set function with parameter $post submit, which is name of submit button. This code will check button is clicked or not. Suppose button is clicked, then this code will run. Under this code first I want to check name field as value of not. For this I have write if statement with condition, and in condition I have write empty function with parameter $post name field, which is name of text box with name field. Empty function determine whether a variable is empty or not. Suppose variable is empty, it will return true, so at that time this block of code run, and here I have write name error variable is equal to please enter name. I have stored this error into this name error variable. But suppose name field is not blank, then at that time else block code will run, and in this block I have again write if statement with condition, and in condition I have write not operator with preg match function with 2 parameter. One is this expression and second is $post with field name. This preg match function perform regular expression match. If this regular expression is not matched, then this will run this block of code. This expression will check in name field only allowed alphabetic letters and white space. If user enter and other things like number, then regular expression is not matched and it will run this block of code. In this block I have write name error variable is equal to only letters and white space allowed. I have stored this message into this variable. Now I want to display this type of error if name field is blank. I want to display error block name field, so I have write span class is equal to text danger and close span tag, and between this tag I have write echo statement with name error variable. Here text danger is a class of Bootstrap. Now I have saved the code and check output in browser. After this I want to check email field has some value or not. For this I have write if statement with condition, and in condition I have write empty function with parameter $post with field name like email. This code will check email field has some value or not. If it is blank, then this will run this block of code, and in this block I have write email error variable is equal to please enter email. I have stored this message under this variable. But suppose email field has some value, so this will run else block code, and in this block I want to check email is in proper order or not. So I have again write if statement with condition, and in condition I have write not operator with filter var function with two parameter. One is $post email field value and second is filter validate email. This filter var function filters a variable with a specified filter, and filter validate email is filter for valid email. If email is in valid email format, then it will run this block of code, and in this block I have write email error variable is equal to invalid email format. I have stored this error message into this variable. This will display if email is in valid format. For display this message I have write span tag with class name is equal to text danger and close span tag, and between this tag I have write echo statement with email error variable, and save this code and check output in browser. After this I want to check gender is selected or not. For this I have write if statement with condition, and in condition I have write empty function with parameter like $post variable with field name gender. If gender radio button not selected, then at that time this block of code will run, and in this block I have write gender error variable is equal to please select new gender. This message will display if gender is not selected by user. For display this error message I have write open span tag with class name is equal to text danger and close span tag, and between this tag I have write echo statement with gender error variable. Now I have saved this code and check output in browser. Now I want to display whichever I have entered into the form field, and this will display if there is not field is blank. If there is any one field is blank, then at that time only error message will display and no output must be displayed. For this I have write name error is equal to blank and operator email error is equal to blank and operator gender error is equal to blank. This code will check all three variable must be blank, that means there is no field is blank and all fields has valid value. If there is any variable is not blank, then at that time this block of code will not run. In this block of code I have write output variable is equal to whichever you have the valid enter into form field. This all will display after the form successfully submitted without any error. For display entered form fields, I have write open and close div tag, and between this tag I have write echo statement with output variable. This value of output variable will display after the successfully submission of form without any error. Now I have saved the code and check output in browser. So friends, this is my video tutorial on PHP server-side form validation. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and you can also share this video on social media also like Facebook, Twitter and Google+ also. Friends, you want to get more update of my video, so, friends, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, you can also like my Facebook page also, or you can also follow Webs Listen on Twitter.